When it comes to your research essay, you have to make sure whether you're doing an exploratory essay or an argumentative that you do have a claim. A claim is the main point that you're trying to explore or argue. There are 4 types of claims, and then under each of these are examples. Claim of fact states something that can be proven to be true or untrue. The example, extraterrestrial life exists. Claim of value. Claim of value states that something has or lacks worth. The example here, animation is as an important art form as painting. Claim of policy or solution states an opinion about whether something ought to be done. The example here, all seniors should be given the opportunity to graduate in January. And then claim of cause and effect makes hints or implies the relationship between 2 or more actions or occurrences. The example here, listening to hip hop leads to higher SAT scores. Now that we reviewed all the types that there are for a claim, I want you to try to write out a claim depending on which one of these applies best to your actual topic, whether it be a claim of fact, claim of value, claim of policy or solution, or claim of cause and effect. Give it a try and see which one works best for you.